My name is Manny Hundrulis, Vice President of Energy Products Distribution. Energy Products Distribution, or EPD for short, was founded in 1985 and is a master distributor of various 3M architectural films and finishes. EPD has an extensive product catalog. We're a distributor of 3M sun control window films, 3M insulating window films, 3M safety and security window films, 3M glass finishes such as Facara and Dusted Crystal, as well as 3M DI-NOC architectural finishes. We also distribute bird divert safety films. The industry's biggest problem is one of labor. It's one of the biggest obstacles to growth for our dealers. So we're doing something about it by offering an industry service called Career Connect. Career Connect is an online job marketplace like ZipRecruiter or Indeed for the film industry. It helps partner a dealer with an installer. Our shipping department is highly efficient and accurate. We ship nationwide, and we offer free ground shipping for many films. The value add we provide our customers is one of lead generation through our extensive digital footprint, hands-on installation, sales, marketing, and product knowledge training through EPD University, EPD Partner Portal, which is an online data repository where our dealers can access important information 24/7, and an online store where our dealers can purchase different films, request free samples, and purchase tools. We offer same-day shipping, and we cut in 1 linear foot increments so you can purchase what you need and nothing more. EPD offers its customers 4 easy ways to order. You can call us, text us, email us, or shop online. Any dealer looking to take their business to the next level and partner with EPD and 3M should visit our website and click Become a Dealer at the top of the page.